beautiful stars. I hope you're doing so well today. I am back with another reseller mystery box unboxing, except I have looked at everything and I opened up in front of my family because if you can hear other voices, I just got tea with my my aunt slash my godmother, my mom, my sister Sarah, my niece Maya, and my grandma to celebrate my grandma's birthday and Mother's Day and like everything all in one. And it was super fun. It was my first time at this tea room, and it's in this really historic house in Minnesota because that's where I live and it's amazing. So if you're from Minnesota, definitely comment down below because that'd be really cool to just like Minnesota represent. But yeah, so this mystery box is from Randi, and I bought this with my own money. I had bought one of her reseller boxes in the past and I decided to buy another one, and this was $15, and so I just decided just to buy it because I haven't been sourcing as much as I wanted to. I'm really busy with my internship at my church, and it just takes a lot of my day, so which I'm totally fine with, but it just doesn't leave a lot of time for sourcing. And then on the weekends I'm usually with my friends or something, so I'm just trying to balance everything, and I also have summer classes. So yeah, so having little things like this that come in the mail help me a little bit with sourcing, and I can list these things and just kind of scatter them throughout the day or throughout the days. Yeah, so I bought this without my own money. She didn't know I was making this video. And without further ado, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and remember to like and subscribe. I do a lot of mystery box unboxings on this channel, so if you're interested, I'll link some up in the cards sporadically throughout this video, and you can also just go onto my channel and find them. I think I just did one for Street Savvy just a few weeks ago, so I'd also really appreciate if you like this video if you like it, because it shows YouTube the lovely algorithm that it does have. It'll push my videos up onto other people's home pages, and then my channel will grow, which I am hoping to do this summer. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and let's get into it. So I first got this sparkle and fade romper, which is gorgeous. And my sister informed me that this is from Urban Outfitters, and I checked the RN number, which I'll have on the screen, and there's a fly in here, love that, but it's from Urban Outfitters. So yeah, I'll have that RN number on the screen so you guys can write that down if you need it. It's the RN number for Free People, Anthropology, and Urban Outfitters. Then I got this J. Crew Boy Fit plaid flannel, which why are you in my room? Disgusting. Then I got this Pure and Good, just basic pocket long sleeve like tunic tee kind of thing, which I think is really good quality. It's like nice and heavy and really soft. And then I got this Fossil size small like fit and flare dress. I like the print, it's really funky. My aunt said it would look good with like a pair of leggings in the fall time. And then I got this Joah or Joa Los Angeles size small like cocktail dress. And lastly, I got this really beautiful misguided dress, which has like this ruffle detailing, and it's velvet with bell sleeves and like a tiered bottom. But that is everything I got. So it was a 6-piece reseller mystery box, which I loved every single piece. I think all of these will definitely make my money back. $15 is a great price for a mystery box, and for all the pieces that you get, obviously it ranges in the items that you get and the brands that you get, but sometimes that's just the risk that you take with buying a mystery box. And there's always sometimes pieces that you don't like, but honestly I feel like every piece has great potential, and I'm so excited to list these. Thank you again to Randi for listing these boxes. I think it's a great way for some people that don't have time to source all the time to be able to go ahead and get some great pieces for a really great price. So again, I'll have all of her information down below if you're interested in checking out her YouTube or Poshmark. I think I'll have her Instagram too if I remember it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week, month, year, etc. And just remember to shine bright. Bye.